Welcome to my channel and welcome to Hilltop Estate located in Ikola Alagbado, AIT Television Road, Lagos, Nigeria. I'm here to give you the recent road construction development in Hilltop Estate, Ikola, and I'm super excited by what I'm seeing at the moment. Behind me here, this is La Vida Hilltop Estate, and down over there we have Hilltop Estate Phase 1, while Hilltop Estate Phase 2 is over there. We have Hilltop Estate, we have Hilltop Estate Phase 2, and so on and so forth over there. This is a community of estate. I'm super excited by the level of the road construction. The two drainages of the two sides is completed already. It was done to connect the other community, and at the same time the road is going to link all the whole estate. You can see that the road is coming from the entrance, then getting to this place, the road links down, connecting to other estates like I said. So it's going to connect every other estate, Hilltop Estate Phase 2, then to connect to Evergreen Hilltop Estate. So this place is going to develop very fast. So it's going to be one of the best estate locations on the Lagos Mainland.
Alright, join me on this tour. Let's have a look of what they've done so far. You can have idea of what it is. So stay tuned and I'll be right back.
With this infrastructure coming to this place, already the estate is sold out. Many of the estate is sold out, but Hilltop Estate is still selling, and we are currently running promo. And for those who are interested to buy from the one that is facing the road, the land is sold out, but we have secondary sales. Those who bought 2-3 plots and they want to resell either one or two of their land is available. That is secondary sales. You can also reach out to me and let's talk about it. As we all know that this estate has global C of O. You have nothing to worry about. So it's a very nice place you can stay. Already you have people living in this estate, so it's habitable. This is the best time to hold property in this place. As we all know that when the road network is completed, the price of land in this place will skyrocket. The price of land will skyrocket. So take advantage of what is happening now. As a smart investors, this is the right time to invest here. You can buy to resell, or you can buy to build in the future. When the road network is completed, plot of land here will skyrocket. It's like you're going to hit a jackpot. So take advantage of it. Once again, my name is Festus Nadabon, Team National Properties. All I do on this channel is real estate, everything in between real estate. This is what this channel is all about. If you like what I'm doing, you love what I'm doing, why not subscribe to my channel? Kindly put on the notification bell so that you can always get notified each time I bring you updates from this very estate. So thank you for watching. God bless you. Until I come your way next time. Bye.